Welcome back, guys. I'm that guy Osiris, and we're going to talk about James Allen. Okay, James Allen is a diamond retail website that pretty much is the king. They're on top right now. They've been doing this for about, I believe, over 10 years and have over 300,000 diamonds, something like that. And I have found them to be incredibly helpful for my clients. They had a 360 technology that showed a diamond crystal clear, 20 times magnified. You could literally see every imperfection. It's a good thing and a bad thing, but truly they really built confidence up and help people buy a diamond online, feel comfortable buying a diamond online, because you're really seeing what you're getting versus maybe 10 years ago no diamonds had pictures up, so you're buying based off of a certificate, and it's just not the same thing without seeing the diamond. They have the largest inventory, and their pricing to me is unbeatable. Now, what I'm doing today is I'm showing you their website, and I want to help you utilize their slider tools to hone in and get the perfect diamond, pretty much filter it to find the best diamond at your price point, so you understand a little bit how you could play with the variables to find the better diamond. So let's get into it. Very important, very important. But first, cafecito. That's the Cuban in me right there. Constant flow of coffee. Constant. So right here is the home screen, okay? So if you're looking for a diamond ring, an engagement ring, the first thing you want to do is click where it says diamonds, okay? You're going to see a little pop-up here, and you're going to see loose diamonds. Either here or start with a diamond, same. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a round, okay? So I want you to notice they have the color, clarity, cut, carat, price point. I tend not to mess with the price point because sometimes you'll be surprised to have something more affordable than what you expected. So I tend not to play with that. I want to see what's out there, whether it's under or over the budget, because sometimes you do see value. Even though it's slightly over budget, it might be a good deal not to pass up. So I leave that alone as is. The next thing here is the carat size. That's the first thing we want to pick for you guys. As an example, I have you here at 1 carat. You know, it's kind of the standard, but this is something you can move around. Now, something that I'm gonna do for you guys is if you go to the description box, there's gonna be a link on my site, okay? I'm essentially going to craft these sliders for you into 3 different areas: the budget value stone, the down the middle, great value, great quality, just all around good stone, good price point, and then you have the top of the line, okay? So, you know, the reality is diamonds are diamonds, and there's a price point for a reason. There is certain qualities that are, I would say, more necessary than others. You know, carat size is number 1 because people do want to have a certain goal in mind. Some people want 2 carats, 3 carats, 1 carat. So that is for sure a big factor. The other little factors that we could play with: the color, clarity, fluorescence, and then even different shapes and table percentages, depth percentages, culottes. So those are things that I don't want to necessarily teach you a full lesson on. That's what I'm going to try to make it simplified for you guys, and put sliders on my site that you could just click with 1 button, and it's going to have everything picked out for you, and then you just got to search through. So for example, we have here a 1 carat round. I put the cut to ideal. Sometimes it's a difference of $150. You know, just leave it ideal. You want the best cut out there. And the color, I'm going to leave it at H for you, okay? So, and I usually always start at SI1. SI1 for me is a great position to start. It's a bargain, and I mean, I call it a bargain, but it's very well priced. Most of the time, it's something that you're not going to see with the naked eye. So, save money. It doesn't impact the beauty of the stone. That's the way to go to start with, okay? So we're going to scroll down and see what we got. These are some of the advanced options. And again, I'm going to do all these for you guys in the description box below. I will have that on my site to make it easier for you guys, okay? So as we go down, you know, something I love about this site is you could clearly see through the rows of images, you get a nice hint of the diamond. Here is an H color SI1, $4,290. That's a great price point. Let's open this one up. And on proper viewing, I do not see one issue with the clarity. Wow, okay. Maybe a little white dot here, very small. Let's see, here it is. Right up here, there's a white inclusion. So this is what I consider the ideal inclusion, okay? This is why this costs less, this white little line. Keep in mind, guys, this is 20 times magnified. Look what happens when I bring it back a little. I mean, you know, when it's on your finger, this is something you're not going to see, especially that it's white. If it was a big black crack, you know, inclusion down the center, I would probably tell you to back off, but it's not. It's something white in the corner, and clearly this is something that you're not going to have an issue with, and it's not going to impact the beauty of the stone. So that, for me, there's no reason to go to VS1 quality. Why would you do that and pay an extra $1,000? You're not going to see it. You're not going to see the difference, okay? So if 4,290 is perfect for you and your budget, I mean, boom, we got the best stone literally right off the first 20 seconds. Now, if you want a higher color, which in my opinion is not necessary, I'm going to put a video up here talking about color and the 4 C's. Maybe I'll do it this way, color and 4 C's over here. You'll learn that, you know, there's different priorities, at least for, in my expert opinion, of how your money should be spent. And it should be spent on something that has value, that impacts the stone's beauty. The clarity, like I said earlier, VS1, SI1, if you get an eye clean SI1, the impact of the beauty of the stone will not be affected. So if you do have a larger budget, do you go higher color and stay at 1 carat? Or do we explore 1.25 carats? And that's a decision you have to make. So let's go back to the gallery. I'm going to show you something pretty cool. When you go and say select this diamond, add it to a ring, you then get prompted right here. It's pretty cool. Look, they have I believe a 25% savings. Yes, that's good. So when you click on it, this is something I love about it. They show you straightforward what other people have purchased, and they show the actual carat size and how it would look on that particular ring. I think that's huge. So here we have a 1.50 carat that was added to this ring. Gives a really good, you know, you could really see what it's going to look like. Again, online, people are hesitant because they want to touch, they want to feel. At least this gives you a very straightforward, honest view of what this diamond looks like at 1.5. And at 1 carat, I think it looks very nice, very balanced on this ring. And again, if you happen to have a smaller diamond, it's going to show you. They have down to 0.50, to 0.25. So they're really doing a good job here managing your expectations. I give them good kudos for that, because some people would probably feel intimidated if their diamond was too small. You know, they don't comfort you. They say, hey, this is what it looks like. They want to make sure when you choose it, you're aware and you're going to be happy with it. So I do like that. So once you select that setting, oh, by the way, in the setting information, you'll see down here the stone information. Here you'll have the number of diamonds and the total carat weight, okay? When you go to stores and you see a diamond that says 1 carat, sometimes what you see is a 0.75 main stone, and then you see 0.23 carats added to the 0.75. It's 0.98, and they're by law able to have, I believe, a 0.4 difference in variance into the carat weight. So they could say by law it's a 1 carat total carat weight. Be aware of that if you ever buy locally. Those are little tricks of the trade. When you're buying a ring that's pre-packaged, they use terms like total carat weight. It makes it sound better, and the reality is you're getting a small center stone and you have a heavier diamond carat on the ring itself. So just be aware of those things when you're in a storefront and you think you're getting a deal, okay? Be aware. So once you select, there you go. They even have interest-free payments. That's nice. 3 payments of that. That's good. Shipping tends to be pretty fast. Keep in mind that certain rings and stones might take a couple extra days, so pay attention to that. So guys, as I mentioned before, if you see you don't have a diamond you like, what do you do? So these sliders, okay, are here to help you. If that 1 carat we found, 42.90, was out of your budget, all right, let's pretend it's under your budget, okay? It's under your budget. Your budget's $6,000. Well, Again, do we hire the color? I say not yet. Do we hire the clarity? I say not yet, because we haven't defined a good one. So let's go ahead and move the slider of carat weight. Let's go to 1.25. Let's see where we're at. We have a starting point of 6,400, 6,450. Not bad. We just jumped up to your price point, maybe a little bit more. Maybe you'd say, Osiris, I want to spend 6. I can't spend more than 6 on the diamond. Okay, let's play with these sliders now. And let's go ahead and try eye color. Now let me tell you, there's a huge jump between H and eye color. Let's see what the result is. Boom. 5,300 starting press point. This one looks pretty good from far away. Eye clean. And it happens to be an eye VVS2. Sometimes you get these, okay? Triple excellent. Has a nice spread. Length to width ratio, very important. So we just got under your price point. We just went a little bit lower in color. Round happens to be great with eye. Eye color could be perfect for a round, and it's still gonna look beautiful. So right there, I taught you the way to get to your price point and your goal of your carat size and how to play with these sliders to get there. Now, there's another way to get even cheaper. I'm gonna include that in the link below in the description box, okay? Check out the bargain diamond and you'll be surprised that you can even save more money and have an acceptable color and clarity and have the diamond of your dreams at a lower price point you ever thought was possible. I hope this video helped, guys. Please support the channel. Smash that like button, okay? Please send me an email. Write in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns for that matter. And thanks for coming by, guys, okay? Catch you on the flip side. That was cheesy. That was cheesy. Okay. Let's try it. Maybe have another ending, maybe. Till the next time.